Okay. There's all kinds of crazy weather warnings happening right now. There's avalanche warnings, there's road closures, there's zero visibility in some areas. So I'm not trying to push myself into a dangerous situation or anything like that. And if things are getting too dicey, I'm going to have a plan B or change my route. Right now, I'm just thinking of it as a challenge. And I think that me and Zoo can do this. So wish us luck, and I'll see you on the other side.
So Zeus and I hit the road. The mist turned to rain, and all of a sudden, the world drained of color and covered us in a blanket of white. Ready to get warm, bud? Let's go this way, though. Not in the car, in the cabin. a cozy night's sleep in the cabin and a nice breakfast. We were ready to stretch our legs and have our morning walk.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away, standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you, dreaming of you, dreaming of you, dreaming of you, I'm dreaming of you. What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you.
Zeus and I decide to do a little more exploring, so we hit the road again and drive to a vista point that we pass along the way. As our last night comes to an end, we build a little fire and sit outside to enjoy the silence of the cold winter night and the sound of the crackling flame.
I could sit in this chair for 1,000 years and watch the woods consume the neighborhood, watch the ambitions come and go, surround me and engulf me. We could ditch the TV and spend a little more time reading books and singing songs on the porch, sit here watching the daylight wane, leaving little trace and even less memory. I just want to be still. I just want to be still. Sometimes I wonder if I'll ever be.
This journey north was my first solo trip in many years. It was short-lived but soul-fulfilling nonetheless. I had been wanting to go here for months, and I finally booked the trip, although it happened to be the weekend that a huge storm moved in. The adventure in me took the challenge. The road home is now clear of snow. The storm has passed. Zeus and I head home. We miss our family, and as we say goodbye to the snow, every mile we drive the sun shines brighter and the trees have more color. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed coming with me. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Take care of each other.
Your mind and be still. Free your mind and be still. And be still. Time has brought us up to this point. It will carry us far beyond it until we are nothing. Sometimes I feel like we're just